It's a 2016 Chrysler 300. Inside and out, no other full-size sedan will set you apart from the pack like the 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even climb inside the refined interior. The large 8.4-inch touchscreen display makes navigating through its advanced technology quick and simple. And with USB and auxiliary audio inputs, this 300 quickly becomes an extension of your personality. Ride in complete comfort with power heated leather seats and dual-zone climate control, and ride with confidence with all-speed traction control and a ParkView rear backup camera. Performance that thrills with luxury that caters. There's no other sedan like it on the market. Take the 300 for a test drive.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.